You haven't made it to the palace yet. And you're maybe still, like, figuratively speaking, you're still in this prison cell, maybe of your own making or just circumstances out of your control, okay? And you're waiting for your moment to come, like, when is the restoration? Where's the happy ending, okay? And right now, maybe you don't know how God's gonna redeem all that's been lost. I understand that. Man, I've been there so many times. But I wanna tell you this, and I believe it with all, every fiber in my being, is that God is not done. He's still with you, just like he was with Joseph. He's still working in you. He's still writing your story. And so my encouragement to you is don't give up. Don't tap out. Don't lose heart. Don't walk away like so many do before the story turns.